Alright, what up everybody? So today I got the Horus X glasses, the gaming glasses. So these are basically for protecting you against the blue light. So this is gonna be my first impression. Yeah, look at this, so pretty. Oh my god, I like it. I like it. Okay, let's check the box to make sure there's no scratches. Because sometimes people return these glasses and then they send people the returns, so I don't like that. So this is the box, as you can see. This is the other side, very nice. It says Ultimate Gaming Glasses. Okay, let's test it out. Smells good, it smells fresh, it smells really fresh. This is the glasses inside. See, holy shit. Okay, we got a little cleaning thing for our glasses, very nice, microfiber. Can use it for my laptop screen also. Some instructions, let's see what they say. Gaming, oh, it's in French. This is English. Lifetime warranty. Oh nice, so you can, if you will refund you or send a new pair. Okay. Oh cool, so if you damage them you can actually get a new pair. Lifetime warranty, that's cool. I didn't know about that. But I'm sure I bought them off of Amazon, so there's probably some return warranty also. This is a nice little pouch that they go in. That's so funny because it's like a bag with a cut in it. That's basically it. But it's still cool because you know you got a bag with a cut inside. Glasses. This is the thing that we all want to see. Oh yeah, look at this. Looks cool. Really minimal and simple design. There's only one plastic on one of the things. Okay, they feel like a nice solid plastic material, very nice, very soft, very slick. The material is matte, and then you can see the lenses, they're kind of like amber. You can see my face, you know, it's kind of like the wall right here. That's the color of the lenses, a little bit orangey. Plastic, definitely plastic, but still, yeah, or maybe not. No, it is plastic. Yeah, nice little color. Then you got made in China. Fuck, man. Made in China. If it's made in China, I don't know, man. I don't feel good about that. I don't know, but the design is good. They're nice, you know. And again, if you damage them, you can just get another pair. That's what it says here. So that's really useful. And now the pull-on test. Whoa! Alright, I look like a geek. Oh my god. Hey, but it's good. The good thing about this is that yes, they look pretty big, right? They cover like my whole face. But the thing is, like, that kind of helps because, you know, sometimes you have light coming in from corners. So maybe this kind of, you know, this big thing protects you from that type of light. Right, because a lot of the times you have like glasses that kind of stick out and you got space here, so the light can get through, and this is kind of tight on your face, as you can see. Alright, beautiful. Yeah, and they look pretty cool. I don't know if I would wear these out anywhere, but it's still a nice style, and yeah, they feel good. Yeah, they feel good on your face. They're really comfortable. I feel like I could wear these for a couple hours. They don't fall off too easily, right? If you shake, it's pretty good. Yeah, so I would give this like a, I guess a 7 or a 8 out of 10, because again, the look of them, I don't really like how they look that much. They look kind of nerdy. But if they're effective, that's all that matters. Now I'm gonna test out the if I can see blue light. Light test. Let me check. Blue light test. Oh fuck, no way. Bro. Really? Okay guys, I got bad news for all of you. Yeah, these glasses are a gimmick. No way. I mean, look, oh my god. Let me see if I can show you. What a fucking gimmick, man. Okay, I'm gonna take my camera. Look, okay, so I got the blue light right here, right? And basically, when you look through these glasses, some of the light is supposed to disappear, right? The blue light. And this is supposed to be like, I don't know, 80% or something. That's what it says. And then look at this. Oh my god, it's still basically the same, man. Right? What am I? Look. Am I tripping? Is this a gimmick? Hold on one sec. Let me quickly pause this recording and let me just check the specs, yeah? Alright, boys and girls, so I just found out that these don't really work that well. You know, these don't really block all the blue light, and it could be because these are sort of like a yellowish tint and they're supposed to be a little bit darker. That's kind of what they look like when I go on Amazon. They look a little bit more reddish. So now that I try them on and do the tests, I can still, like you've seen, see the blue a lot. So for our first impression video, this was definitely a fail, and I'm gonna return these and try to get some better ones, because there is no point in me wearing this if it's not gonna protect me from blue light, you know. And I'm gonna be using my laptop in the evening, so I need it to block basically all the blue light. And even if I put these on right now, I can still see a lot of the blue lights because I have blue things on my LCD. So yeah, what a fail, right? What a fail. Damn son. I'll leave the link to this, or I'll just show you right now, so that way I don't have to leave the link. Okay, let's look so we know. All right, so I am buying in Poland, but these are the glasses that I just bought, Horus X. So yeah, I would say if you want black blue light, maybe, you know, don't get these, because these aren't really effective. You know, like when you look at the pictures, they look reddish, and obviously that's because the color has been adjusted in the photo. But even if you look here, they look more orangey, right? And yeah, there's a lot of reviews, and a lot of the reviews are negative, so I was kind of questioning the thing. And the other thing that is a surprise is obviously this made in China thing. So I'm definitely gonna return these. So this was a fail. Alright, but anyways, thanks for watching, and see you with the next blue light glasses. Bye bye.